Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Alphana. With this software, you will be able to upload one video and get 30 plus pieces of different content. And it can be written content as well as short form video clips. I will show you how it works in a moment. And I will tell you what I like about this software and one downside, which is not a deal breaker, but still a point for improvement. You may get Alphana as a lifetime deal on AppSumo. Just getting briefly through the features. And basically, you can pick different templates, predefined prompts, and after uploading the video, you will get different type of content from one video. And you can import videos from YouTube URL, from Google Drive, Dropbox, or from local computer. Let's take a look at the prices. For the first tier, you can upload 2 hours of videos. You have option to upload 5 hours, and there is as well a limitation how many pieces of content you can add or generate per video. So maximum you can have 45 hours of video upload monthly with 30 types of content generated from one video. Alright, let's move to the application itself. On the main screen, you can see videos which were already uploaded, but how would you start working with the tool? You click down below, then provide a link to YouTube video, choose the model. So by default, I've made it to be GPT-4o, and you may just enter your video and it will pick the base template for you, but you may select other templates. And what is a template? Actually, if we go, for example, to summarize template, we can see that there are predefined types of content that will be generated. We can take a look at the marketing template. We can see that there are Twitter threads, blog ideas. So after you submit the video for the processing, and let's take a look at this one that I have uploaded, you will get different pieces of content. Then you can request creating additional content. For example, let's ask for LinkedIn post. It is starting processing. And what's important, you can save all of this as a custom template. You can see it here, save as template. Then when you select a new video, you will be able to pick and select your own template. So let's get back actually to the video. As an example, I have uploaded the video from that channel about us.
It demeans our language, actually.
The video is about public speaking, and let's see what kind of content we got from here. Well, LinkedIn post generated. Short form video script. You can use it for creating TikTok or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. We have highlight video clips with description, and we can actually download those clips in different formats.
Yes, there is. I'd like to suggest that
you can enable captions. Well, another very interesting feature, thumbnails. You may get an image, for example, this one of a speaker, and use it as a base for your thumbnail. A nice feature to have. Also, it has a card which will generate AI images. Not sure where you will use those, maybe in some part of the thumbnails as well. And let's move to the very interesting part. There is a card that generates YouTube Shorts. Well, short form content. With the description, you can enable or disable captions. to be burned into your video, and you can download the video in different aspect ratios. And let me show you an example of a short clip that I have downloaded and which was generated automatically by Alphana.
Well, this is the national art of the UK. It's our national sport. We complain about the weather, about sport, about politics, about everything. But actually, it's in the world. Excuses. Have a blame thrower. They just pass it on.
I think that was great. And you get 4 of these clips from different timestamps. Similar way, it will work when you select Instagram Reels. You will get as well selection of different clips, and the same will go for TikTok videos. Alright, let's briefly take a look what else we have generated. There is TikTok script, so you can record your own short videos using this script. There is a summary, a Twitter thread, and Twitter post ideas. Well, let's take a look at another very powerful feature, which I thought this tool was missing at the beginning. There is create your own card. It means you can put any type of your own prompt here. For example, 30-second YouTube Shorts script with the detailed scenes breakdown. Let's generate that. Here it is, our custom type of content. We can rename it. And now, again, you can save all of this as a template with your own custom type of content. Well, there is one more feature worth mentioning, clips from timestamps. If you would like to get a specific slice of your video, you can use this feature as well. Alright, before we move to the conclusion, let me remind you that we are running a giveaway which was extended to let more people chance to join. So you just need to be subscribed to the Crowded Lab channel and you have a chance to win AppSumo codes worth $100. The link will be in the description. Well, conclusion. I think Alphana did great. I reviewed several similar tools, and I think Alphana really delivers on its promise to get you 30 plus type of content from one video. There is a good selection of predefined templates. I would call those collections because those combine different types of contents to get you start quicker. But when you upload a video, then you can add predefined cards to get different types of content. And what's important, you can add your own custom prompt and you can edit other prompts as well. So very powerful, very versatile tool, which really can speed up your workflow of generating different type of content to repurpose your videos. To get Alphana, please check my link in the description. Please give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.